Gray coverage. A lot of clients who come to you and they frequent your salon are people who have gray hair. And various ways to cover gray hair are using natural colors, using product additives like Gray Magic, implementing the double pigmentation method, and of course pre-softening is an old method with peroxide or cream bleach. First to open the cuticle for the resistant hair and then add the color. So opening the cuticle would make it easy for the hair shaft to accept the color. So the gray hair. Natural tones are best for gray hair coverage. I'm going to show you the natural tones. Here are the natural tones right here. And they have a letter which represents the tone, which is N, and a number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which represents the level. If someone has 50 gray, the hairdresser can use any desired color, mixing it equally with natural color at the same color level. Meaning, if somebody has 50% gray, let's say, and they want to be red tone, if you use red tone alone, this red alone on the client's hair, then the gray hair will pick up vibrant red, and then the other hair, which is not gray yet, will pick up the good red. So you wouldn't have equal deposit. The gray hair needs all three primary colors, which are the red, the blue, and yellow. By depositing the natural tone plus the red pigment, if you want to add the red pigment, you are depositing all of the pigments, because natural is like ash green, which has the blue and yellow, and then the red. You're depositing all of the pigments into the hair, so the desired hair color is nice, vibrant, good red that covers gray and doesn't look like you know, part gray, which gray turns orangey red, and then the other color turns a nice red. So consider that you could do half red color, let's say, and 1 ounce of natural color. And if a client has 100% of natural gray color, you can use a full natural color to cover that hair. And gray hair could be covered better with use of a product called Gray Magic. Gray Magic could be obtained from any beauty supply. In California, we have Sally's, Maylee's, you can, Namies, a lot of good beauty supplies. You can get Gray Magic, and you can charge more for Gray Magic. In beauty schools, we charge $1.50. You could charge more because it does magically cover the hair. 10 to 15 drops of Gray Magic added to the color mix could help the hair color better stick to natural color. Follow the manufacturer's instructions when using Gray Magic. Now, double pigmentation method is an old method. Gray could be colored by this method. You can first use the direct dye, which is aniline derivative hair color, and without mixing it with hydrogen peroxide. Now, before you add anything, you go open your color, bring and apply it on the part of the hair that has the light color, usually in the front has the gray, and let's say the back part is not gray yet. You double pigment that color to kind of bring it closer to the back color, and then you can add your color. So first use a direct aniline derivative color, then use the same color on top of the pre-pigmented hair mixed with hydrogen peroxide. Of course, this works well on hair that is partially gray. The front hairline is gray and the hair on the back is dark. Use the double pigmentation only on the gray part. Pre-softening, another old method. Resistant gray hair could be covered easily with hair color if it is pre-softened. You can mix 20 volum peroxide with equal parts of water. Cover the client's hair with a plastic cap and let her sit under a dryer. If you don't have a dryer, you can use a hair dryer with the plastic cap to kind of warm up the hair. Or you can use warm towel on the top of the plastic cap to warm up the hair to help the peroxide open the cuticle. So after 5 minutes, the cuticle would open and it will be more accepting the hair color. So towel blot the hair and process with the color by adding the desired color on top of the pre-softened hair. Of course, when I say color, it's color mixed with peroxide, aniline derivative tint, which is the professional color, mixed with hydrogen peroxide. Resistant hair has closed cuticle on its hair shaft, which does not allow the color to penetrate. Pre-softening allows the cuticle to open for easy color penetration. Now, if you're in doubt, you can always do a strength test before processing the color. Strength test takes little time and saves the hairdresser from unwanted outcomes. If the gray hair is very, very resistant, you can use cream bleach. You can mix the cream bleach, apply it on a very resistant gray hair, rinse or towel blot, usually rinse because bleach counteracts with the pigment in the color, so you rinse. The reason you apply the bleach is to open the very poor porous hair. Poor porosity means that the cuticle is completely closed and you open it up for the hair to accept the hair color and the pigment easily. So after rinsing the hair that has been processed with the cream bleach, which is on scalp bleach, you can add the color and it will penetrate easy. Always check the client's hair condition before processing with bleach, peroxide, or any harsh chemicals. Please subscribe to my channel to view new cosmetology theory practical videos as soon as they're posted, and please give me the thumbs. Remember that you need to review any cosmetology theory 5 times to have positive outcomes. Good luck.